Hey, welcome back to Technological Heritage, and today we're going to be, let's just say, cooking this glory motor. Now, let me just preface this beforehand. This thing's way beyond saving. It has shorted turns, packed full of dust when I got it. It did used to run. Unfortunately, one of the windings came off when I was trying to remove the thermal fuse, so no longer has the phase splitting cap, so it's just going to be stationary. If you look in there, there you go, you can kind of see some of the burnt windings, shorted turns. This thing is done for, so we're just going to let it cook and see if it gives a little fireworks show. Now, don't do this if you don't know what you're doing. I'm outside, I have a fire extinguisher available. Without further ado, let's get this going here. Should be high. Now before, it was doing all sorts of fireworks in there. I'll just turn it up to, I think I'll do medium. Let's see here. Actually, I can smell it. Current draw's going down. Oh, we're getting smoke. .96 amps. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Still drawing current. Whew. And I think we're just about open circuit. Huh, well done. That was something. I've never done this before. Still on fire. Pull it out quick. And there we go. Yep, she's cooked. Well, thanks for watching. Actually, no, I'll probably cut to having this thing open so you can see all the carnage. Actually, let's try some of the different speeds. Oh. Yep, that's it. Okay, now she's done. Okay, I've let this sit and cool down for a little bit. So here's the aftermath. Oh, and I should say, this fan was done in 2012. I have to give him credit. These bearings still have oil in them. So, there's that. Here's the aftermath. Your main run windings, I guess you'd call these, and then this would be the offset phase. And obviously, these were kind of out of circuit because the capacitor was not hooked up. And you can see just about all the wires have become disconnected. I wonder why. But yeah, that's pretty cooked. Yeah, that was pretty spectacular. See the nice skid marks on the inside of the case. Yeah, that was worth picking it off the curb for. I usually, try to replace these things. If it's just like a bad thermal fuse, I can, recover a motor at that. But this had shorted turns, and as you can see, that was just a big fire hazard. Even when it had the capacitor hooked up, after like 10 seconds of running, this thing emitted a very strong burning smell. So it would have eventually just did this on its own while assembled. So took it out of the case, so all the guards and all that, the blade, all that salvageable. In fact, I have a motor to put in the fan this came out of. But with all that rambling out of the way, hope you enjoyed the video. So, thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.